So this has a radius here that allows us to straddle the bolt, and then we'll go through this with our pencil and it will leave a mark on that base plate, allow to transfer. This of course is the 3.5 plate, and this is for the 5.5 plate. Both, as you bring the pencil through, it's directly center of those locations. So you come through this side and punch down, and I'll show you that here in a second. This also has the radius for a 5/8 bolt, the depth for a half, the radius for a 5/8, which allows this tool to straddle a 5/8 anchor bolt just the same as it would straddle a half anchor bolt, which the industry has half and 5/8 anchor bolts. Yeah, this tool's available, and you can see it's kind of a little Zorro sword. Yeah. It's got a sheave, but it doesn't really come out. It's just a pecker right there that punches, and it leaves an indentation. So of course this tool is not terribly inefficient. It's just that typically a crew only has one of these, and there's all these bolts to mark, and so all these guys will be running around seeing where this is, and so we will have many times one of your crew members will be walking around looking for this tool that could be hid, you know, like that, and you don't, and you don't know where it is. Whereas with this KIXX Square, everybody has one of these already built into the tool, and you can use it at any time, anywhere, and makes it so much more efficient, so fast to be able to. It's got a radius for only a 1/2 inch bolt, where we have a radius for a 5/8 bolt, and allows the KIXX Square to more accurately go around a 5/8 anchor bolt, where this going onto a 5/8 bolt, it kind of stalls and holds back, and so when you do make the mark on a 5/8 bolt, it isn't directly center, so it's a little bit inferior. I'll turn this plate and bring it right onto that line, and this is the outside of the line. It's this plate will move into this position and will be exactly perfect. So what we'll do is we'll line this mark up with that line to make it perfect, and then once it's lined on this line, then this is how we used to do it with this tool. We would come and we'd have to keep this on a 90. You have to be able to do that. It's not terribly important that it's just perfect, but you can get it perfect with a little bit of practice. And then we would put a mark like that. It gives you an indentation. That indentation drilled, bored through, then you could transfer and it would be exactly located. We would straddle the anchor bolt and make this as close to a 90 as you can, which will be good enough, and then take your pencil, push it down in the hole, and leave a mark, and that there is where we'll take and bore a hole and allow this plate to be able to be lifted up and set directly over that, and it would make this edge perfect with this line, which would make your house perfectly straight. So one of the neatest features on this KIXX Square is our patented design of the bolt locating transfer for the bolt hole on the foundation into the sole plate of the foundation. This patented feature allows every one of your carpenters or any carpenter to be able to locate the bolt, mark it, move to this bolt, same, mark it, and you can see that little mark there that I created. That being drilled out would set directly over and be perfect. And this patented feature on this square is no one else has that in the industry, and no one has it as simple as that. Neither do they have it at all.